is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is July 12th, 2022. The market cap of all of crypto right now is at 867 billion. The 24-hour volume is at 55 billion, so not very good. Crypto markets taking a big downturn, with just today the entire global market cap is down 2.36%. This is not looking very good for the crypto. Right now the global market cap is at 867 billion. Right now everything is taking a big downturn. Bitcoin is down on the hour, on the day, and on the week. Basically every coin is following the exact same pattern. Everything is down. The actual top gainer right now is Quant. If you haven't seen my TikTok about Quant, I made a TikTok yesterday about Quant, saying Quant is surviving the bear market and is going to be surviving the bear market, and it's going to be super good in the bull run 2025. Right now it's up 2.5% on the day, so nothing insane, but better than almost every crypto out there right now. And it's actually doing really good on the month. It has made a big recovery down from, where was this low here, about $42 up to $88. So you could have made 100% gains if you bought it from there and sold it right here. Obviously, no trader probably did that, because if traders did that, they wouldn't have to, they'd be rich. But just saying, so Quant is doing really good in this market as we speak. And I think Quant will continue to do very well in this market. And the rest of the top gainers are actually pretty bad. I don't know why Synthetics is a top gainer when it's actually down on the day. And then Steppen is up even though it's down a lot overall. And Waves is up today even though it's down a lot overall. Same thing with every other crypto. So yeah, let's get right into the news, guys. First off, we got the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Right now we're at extreme fear. We're at 16 points. Yesterday we were at 22, so we're actually worse today than we were yesterday. Last week was 19, and last month was 14. So we're actually recovering a very tiny bit. Not enough to see any gains in the market, really. Right now, I think I'm just going to wait it out still. Do want to accumulate a little bit of certain coins I believe in, like Quant or HBAR, XRP. But right now, I'm just going to be waiting for a bigger drop, which I think is coming. Crypto bubbles right now. Let's go to the day. So everything is basically down on the day, with a very few amount of outliers here. You see Quant up 3%, Kusama up 1.5%, Steppen up 1.7%, Sandbox, everything is basically down though. If we go here on the week, you can see Quant is still performing very well. It's up 36% on the week. Matic up 5.6%, Aave up 11%, Internet Computer up 12%, and XCN. I've actually never heard about XCN, but that's up 16%. Never heard about this actually. It's up 100% on the year. All right, learn something new every day. All right, so big news happening here. I think this actually happened yesterday. I just didn't cover it in time. A Uniswap liquidity provider was hacked for $8 million in a phishing attack. So if you don't know what a phishing attack is, basically it's when someone gets you to click on a link and link your wallet or something like that, and they can hack it and take all of your funds, which is exactly what happened. So the victim, whoever the liquidity provider of this Uniswap was, the victim has mistakenly given access to the hacker through a fake airdrop. So prior to the incident, the hacker targeted the victim using a fake Uniswap airdrop token, which was a phishing bait. When the victim claimed the token, it interacted with a malicious smart contract that inadvertently gave the hacker full control over the victim's wallet. So basically what this is he got an airdrop in his wallet. Like, I can actually show you right now my Phantom wallet, because I'm sure you've all seen these too. I made a TikTok about this too, so you don't get scammed. These fake Solana wallets, Solana NFTs, look at this. Official Solana NFT. Yeah, sure. You scroll down, congratulations, you're one of the blah, 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 blah. If you click on this link, it'll get you to connect your wallet so you can claim this NFT. As soon as you connect your wallet, they steal all of your money. I've never had it happen to me because I'm smarter than that. And I've told you guys not to do that. So don't get scammed by something stupid like this. This is stupid. Don't get scammed like this. All the properties in here verified yes. He just wrote all this out. This is a bunch of BS, right? This means nothing. He is just trying to get you to give you his money. So this is basically what happened. Is the hacker gave this person, which he obviously knew he had a lot of money, he gave him an airdrop of this Uniswap token, so he made him think it was real, so he had to go to a website or something to claim it. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm assuming that's how it works. He had to go to a website to claim it. As when he connected his wallet, the hacker got full access to his wallet, stole all of his money, just like that. It's happened many times with many rich people, because it's very hard. These hackers are getting very smart nowadays. But we just got to be smarter. Make sure you guys follow my TikTok and YouTube as well to make sure you guys don't get scammed. And on some other news, Euro hits a 20-year low in parity with the US dollar. So actually the euro fell to a 20-year low. So basically, the euro has actually been trading above the United States dollar for the past 20 years, basically. So it's been trading, look at this, 2014, it's been basically trading above over the US dollar for the past 20 years. And actually, just recently, it has fallen off of a cliff and came in exactly equal dollar amount to the US dollar. A potential cutoff from Russia's gas supply and recession fears have accelerated the euro's downturn. Arthur Hayes has reaffirmed his view that Bitcoin could hit $1 million due to the collapse of the fiat money system. Now, I know everyone wants to say, yeah, we could all just use Bitcoin instead of using the fiat money because fiat money is not great. It's not working very well. Inflation's killing all of us. Actually, I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but Zimbabwe's hyperinflation. This has been going on for quite some time now. They had hyperinflation with their dollar, which was reintroduced in 2019. The hyperinflation exceeded over 800% in 2020. So look at this. This is going to blow your guys' mind. If you haven't heard about this, this is crazy. They have bills that are $100 trillion. This is a bill, a Zimbabwe bill. $100 trillion. Right? This means nothing too. This $100 trillion is probably not, it's worth pennies, like actual pennies. So hyperinflation, this is basically, if people in Zimbabwe made Bitcoin, right, just as their currency, they could use that same dollar amount anywhere in the world. If they brought this bill into America, it would be nothing. They probably wouldn't even be able to use it. And if they could, it'd be worth pennies in America. So I live in Canada, so our dollar is actually worth less than the United States dollar. So this is just an example of why fiat money is not the greatest and why crypto could potentially save some countries just like Zimbabwe. On to the next article. Brazil's largest payment app to enable 65 million users to buy Bitcoin. So apparently Brazil has this huge payments app called PicPay. Never actually heard of it. I'm not Brazilian, so I don't know. I would have never heard of it. But they are planned to enable Bitcoin payments to 65 million people. So the only thing that I did read about this article that's a little sketchy to me is it is unclear if users will be able to withdraw their Bitcoin. So what they could be doing, I don't think they will, but they could get their 65 million users to buy Bitcoin, manipulate the market, and make it so all of their users cannot sell while the actual PicPay profits from the entire ordeal. I really hope that's not what happens, but we've seen some bad things happen recently with Celsius and Voyager. We've seen a lot of bad things going on with crypto and businesses related in the crypto industry. So I really hope this does not make a downturn. I hope this is beneficial for crypto, which I think it will be. Right now everything's kind of bearish, not looking very good right now, but I do think this is good news. Now, every time I scroll through Crypto Panic, I keep seeing consistently Cardano news. This is another one I've seen today that had a bunch of upvotes. So Cardano can now be accepted as payment at over 7 million businesses, bringing ADA, which is Cardano, to the masses. The ADA Pay Gateway makes it possible for businesses to accept settlements in ADA, which is Cardano. I don't really know why there's been so much Cardano news going about on Crypto Panic recently. It's not really like Cardano's the best coin out there. Like, there are other coins that can do exactly what Cardano does. Faster, better, cheaper. Like for sending money, you don't want to send it using ADA. I would rather send it using Solana, XRP. I'd rather send money with XRP. It's instant, basically free. It's going to cost you like 1/100th of a penny. I don't know why people would want to use ADA or for sending money, but I mean, if I actually go to Crypto Panic here, let's see if I can see. Let's go to important. I don't know if I can see many sort of Cardano. I've been seeing a lot of Cardano on here recently. So Cardano up there, Cardano. Let's see. Cardano. So there's Cardano. There's so much Cardano news on here. I don't know if they're just trying to push Cardano in here because it's been in the dumpster recently. Let's take a look at Cardano. Let's take a look at this coin. I actually bought this coin a long time ago. Had a pretty big loss on it, but that's another story for another day.
Stay out of the cosmic dump that Cardano's been taking on its holders' faces for months now. They are covered.
So right now it's down 3% on the day. Everything's down today. On the year, it has fallen off a cliff from its high of let's just say $3. All the way down to where it's at now, which is 41 cents. That is a huge loss, huge loss. If you bought, I know there were people screaming on Twitter during the bull run of ADA last year when it hyped up and went all the way to $3. People were screaming, it's going to $10, it's going to $10. Buy now, don't miss the boat, it's going to $10. All those people were like, I just put 10 grand in ADA, I'll see you on the moon. All their money's gone. You don't have, all your money is gone. If you bought it at $3 and it's worth 41 cents per coin, you're broke. I did sell a lot of mine before the big crash. I did lose a bit on it, but if I held till now, I would be done. So very happy I sold that. People were ranting and raving that Cardano was going to be the biggest coin, the biggest gainer of 2021, and it ended up not really. It was decent in 2021, but after that one big rush to $3, it crashed and never went back up. I personally do not think it's going to hit $3 again for at least a long time, because I think some other coins are going to come along that are going to do more than what Cardano does for faster and cheaper. I already see it happening. I'm going to keep some projects under the radar I'll keep them on Twitter and TikTok, so make sure you follow me on there. Links in the description. And last but not least, we're going to cover what the NFT's been doing. So NFTs have been really stale ever since the crypto market crash, which is it makes sense, right? If there's no money in crypto gains to be flowing into NFTs, people are going to be trying to sell their NFTs to take their money and just try and hold on to it because their NFTs are going down in value too. Why would you want to hold a NFT that's losing value? You can't even put it in crypto because that's losing value too. You can't put it in stocks because that's losing value too. So honestly, just holding cash is the best move, even though you're losing money to inflation. There's really no winning at this point in time, right? CryptoPunks and Bored Apes are actually doing pretty good right now. Well, just the change into what the amount that they've been selling for has been going up a lot. Same thing with Ethereum NFTs. That's so funny looking at $21 million in sales today on NFTs. Think about, like, that may seem like a large number, but that is so small in comparison to, like, this number is in like 5 years could be upwards of like 500 million per day in NFT volume. Thinking about having an NFT, like almost all NFTs of like one giant collection being worth $50,000 a pop, like Bored Apes or CryptoPunks, but people transacting those continuously on a day-to-day basis. Solana is actually down a lot for its transactions. It makes sense. Solana's been having a lot of FUD going on recently. Apparently some investors are suing Solana. It's not been looking good for Solana, even though I really like it. It is it's fast, but for using NFTs, it's very slow. Anytime I use Magic Eden, it always says there's a low TPS, which is transactions per second. Usually trying to get in on a hyped mint on Magic Eden Launchpad is essentially impossible unless you have whitelist. I've experienced that many times with OK Bears. I tried to mint 2 of them, and the transactions sat there pending forever, and it never went through. Missed out on that huge boat because I would have sold my 2 OK Bears. Actually, Immutable X is going up a lot. I see huge potential in Immutable X. I think this is actually going to be right up here with Ethereum at second place or first place. It's going to take a little while for it to actually get up there because Ethereum has been the first one, the OG of the NFT space. That's where it all started, was on Ethereum. But I think Immutable X has very, very good potential to be right behind Ethereum or actually above Ethereum in some time to come. But guys, that is it for today's market update. I'll be back again tomorrow. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Links are in the description below. I have a bunch of links down there as well if you want to get started investing. They all give you affiliate links, they all give you money. So guys, make sure to check that out. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.